So I just got home from work and my Stamplistic box is here. This is my very first scrapbook club kit. So I am super excited to open it up. This is my little girl bear, and I have Oreo here too. As I got home from work, they're super excited to see me. So let's see if I can actually get into this. I have limited space. I'm sorting a whole bunch of scrapbook stuff. So that's all set up. So I'm just going to figure it out. I'll do it right here in my chair. Of course, I don't have anything with me. Can I get to this tape without... Hold on, you can look at the dog for a second while I get to this. Because I show you my address. My husband gets all mad because I keep showing my address off. Alright, here we go. There we go. We got it. Dogs everywhere. Sorry, bear. He's like, excuse me. They're both like, you're in my space. Alright. There's not room for 2 dogs and a 12 by 12 box on my lap. Alright. Whoa, Oreo. Alright, let's see. Ta-da! Alright, let's get rid of the box. And we'll have more room for dogs. Okay, maybe. It's not gonna work. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. So cute. Alright. This is not gonna work, puppies. Look how cute. So romantic. Alright, let's open this up. I love the paper. I love the colors in the paper. Designed by Jen Bishop. Exclusively for Ben Fern Studios. Cute. Alright, thank you, dog. Alright. So, December Scrap Pack Club. These are the layout ideas, and it gives you the buttons to do it with. And it gives you these little scrolly things up here. And the gems. Cute. And it gives you the instructions. Nice. Like it very much. And then, of course, you can do whatever you want with it, but you can... It comes with the little swirly things and the buttons, the neat buttons, and the gems. And then this is this really cute paper. It's a nice, really thick cardstock. Such vibrant colors. Look at the little butterfly. It's got so much detail to it. I mean, if you can just see this little journaling card, there is a pattern to the paper. It also has a texture and color. There's like a different depth of colors to it. And then there's writing in there. There's, you see the butterfly. There's so many details to these journaling cards. They are stunning. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Just like the old vintage greeting cards. So pretty. Doves. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at this amazing paper. Wow. It's like fireworks. That is incredible. It's like a holographic paper. And then we have just some pieces here. That's cute. So cute. So vintage and romantic. And just the detail of everything. And then we have this one. Cute. little music. And then this. Oh, see, I don't want to get them out of order. So they're already laid out. That's nice. They're already laid out. I guess as long as I keep them in this order, they'll still be in order. They're laid out for us for our layout. We have our tag. And then another one of these really cool firework papers. The little bird. The details are so pretty. So I'm going to keep them in the same order because everything looks like it's laid out just for us to do our kit. Again, look at it. I love this blue. It's just so pretty. It's blue, but you can see it has writing going through it. It has all different hues of blue. It's got textures upon textures. You see it's got like the Harlequin diamonds, but then it's also got this other florally pattern going through it. So pretty. Really nice paper. All you need is love. Adorable. And then we have this one. Watch on my belly where I'm sitting. It's not very appealing. Metropolitan. That's so pretty, the colors. Like a purple and a little aqua, and it's like a purpley gray. Very cool. Pride and Prejudice. Very neat. And this one. And then two black cardstock pieces, which even this is really good quality cardstock. Looks like basil cardstock. How pretty she is. So these are already cut, ready to go for us. Oops. And we have this sheet. Again, just the paper, texture upon texture. Very pretty. And this is the other side to it. Really, really nice paper line. And then we have this little sparkly strip and another couple of strips of black cardstock. And then we have this piece on this side. It's kind of like the stitched. And I'm going to show you the ideas again for the layouts. They're going to be stunning when they're complete with this paper. And then we have this paper with the writing. But again, there's so many fine details to it. And then on the flip side, really, really nice. So let me keep that in order. And let's find the idea sheet again. So the layouts you create, it's upside down, are these two at the top. I like how they have the tag down the bottom here, framing, little card, cute detail. I can't wait to do these. I bet they're going to be stunning. And then down on the bottom, I like how they've added just the extra pieces to accentuate the paper without taking away from it. Really cute. I'm looking forward to playing around with this. So I will show you what I do with this layout. So what do you think? Do you like this kit? Again, this is the December 2020 Scrap Pack Club from Stamplistic that I just got. So tell me what you think. I can't wait to play with it. Again, it comes with all the directions and everything to make my layouts. But let me know what you think to it. Have a great night, everyone.